Hi there, how are you everyone? We're here with a beautiful weather here, and we're here with another video for you. And it's regarding understanding the auto wiper function and how to use it. I will take you through the entire wiper menu and also the wiper servicing position. So just in case you're not you're having trouble having the auto feature on, or you're having trouble having using the wiper in situations in heavy rain and all, and this is useful for all the cars, all the modern cars with the auto wiper wipers function. So here we are. So this is so in some cars it's on the left side and some on the right. In the Chery Tiggo 8 Pro, it's on the left side. So you can see all the functions over here. So there's the mist, the off, the auto, the low, and the high. As it shows the pull, that it's going to shower water on the screen if you use the pull. And then this is for the rear rear wipers. That's on and off for the rear wipers. So you can starting off with the rear wipers. So we can see that if we just pull it up a little from here, so we can see at the back. So it's putting water on the glass. So this is the function which puts water on the glass. This turns it off, and this is just if you pull it down a little, it again throws water on the screen, on the rear screen. So usually you should keep it off because if you want to align it with the auto feature of the wipers, so it can stay on off, or you can put it on and it goes continuous. So there is no interval position, so it would go on a low speed when it's on. So there's almost a gap of 5-6 seconds, and then it moves. So we'll turn it off for now. So for the main wipers, so I have it in the off position right now. If I move it up, so this is just a single push. So if you want to do it for a quick clean of the window during very light drizzle, you can do this. Or when you start the car in the morning and there's some dew on it, so you can just do it once. So this is used for one. If you pull it forward, so this showers the screen and then turns the wipers on automatically. You don't have to keep it on. It would wipe the screen till it's off, till it's clean, till the wiper is off. Then secondly, if you move into position 2, so this is in the first, it's in the off position. If you move to the second position, this is auto. So for this, it would first identify if there is much water on the screen, then it would wipe it off. And this can be used in very light drizzle, like right now. This is basically on. If I change the sensitivity, so you can change the sensitivity on this as well. So look, this is being done. So you can change the sensitivity. This is right now on high sensitivity. So if you can see the screen, so I'm just rotating it back and it shows the number of drops. So with the, I think with the lower one raindrop or the wider band here, so this means that it would be on a very long interval cleaning the window. If I change the sensitivity to second, so this is the second with the sensitivity of 2 raindrops, 3, and then 4. So in the 4, it's the fastest with the shortest intervals. Then if you move it further, so this would be on a low speed. So this would just go on and on continuously with no interval. So this can be used if you want to manually do it. Even if you're on the auto, according to the rain heaviness, it would adjust the speed of the interval. So you don't have to go on this. It's barely used, but still, if you feel convenient that you don't want to depend on technology and you want to change it to low speed and low intervals, no intervals, low speed, then you can use this. And then the last one is the high speed. So this is the high speed. This is mainly used in very heavy rain, so you can use these in that. And that's it. So I usually put it in the second position, which is the auto position. And just to check that is that if I go up and this is the mist, then second is sorry, this is missed and it's back to off position, and this is the second position. So I put it, I use it always in the auto position, because then according to that it functions as is required. Last thing I want to cover is that if you're parking it somewhere and maybe it snows, or if somebody's going to clean the screen, or you're going to go for a service area, then it's advisable, to avoid any marks on the bonnet, it's advisable that you put it in the wiper service position. So in the wiper service position, what you have to do is that you just need to turn off the car, and then when you just tap it up to the mist position, the wipers just come up like straight up. So now you can pull them off the screen and then use it accordingly. And to just put it back, you just have to do this again. Once you start the car, you just need to put this up, and then it will be fine. It would be down again. So that's all for now. If you have any other questions, any other functions you want me to cover, please follow the page and write in the comment section. We will come up with the video to help you out on that. Till then, thank you very much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.